Hi, if you want to activate video stabilization on the iPhone 16, then you will need to open camera first and here swipe right to go in the video mode. And now in the upper panel you can see this running man icon which is for the action mode. So if you tap it once it will light up orange and the action mode is enabled now. But as you can see in my case more light is required. So to disable this feature, you will need to tap on this icon once more and the action mode will be turned off. With the help of this mode, your videos will look smoother and more stable. As an example for you, I took two videos before, one with the stabilization off and one with the stabilization on. So this is the video without stabilization and I'm shaking camera pretty well. And this is video with a stabilization and I'm shaking camera just the same as I did before, but you can see that the video is really stable. And that's it, that's how this feature works. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.